Today start chapter number 7, editing in writer. Chapter number 7, editing in writer. Next, what is editing? What is editing? Editing means any type of change in the document, that is editing, deleting or copying text in the document. And what is editing? Editing means any type of change in the document, that is editing, deleting or copy text in the document. Okay, and we can move the cursor in our document for editing. So cursor is the blinking. What is cursor? So cursor is a blinking vertical line on the screen. Cursor is a blinking vertical line on the screen. Okay, so we can move the cursor. We can move the cursor to any place in the document by simple clicking that left mouse button at the desired location. Okay, we can move the cursor to any place in the document by simply clicking the left mouse button at the desired location. And moving around in the document is called is navigating in a document. Moving around in the document is called is navigating in a document. Okay, for this purpose, writer allow us to use cretin key and key combination. These key are following. Okay, left arrow uses move the move the cursor to the left from its current position. Left arrow. This is your left arrow key. Move the cursor to the left from its current position. Then next right arrow key. Move the cursor to right from its current position. And down arrow key. Move the cursor one line down. Move the cursor one line down. Next up arrow key. Move the cursor one line up. One line up. Next your home key, takes cursor to beginning of the line. Okay, takes the cursor to the beginning of the line. Next your end key, take the cursor end of line. Okay, home key, home key cursor the beginning of line, and the end key take the cursor to the end of line. Okay, next your control plus home, control plus home, move the cursor to the beginning of the document. Move the cursor to the beginning of the document. Control plus home key. Next your control plus end key, move the cursor to the end of document. Okay, move the cursor to the end of document. How can the select the text? To select the desired text, hold down the left mouse button. Okay, how can we select the text? To select the desired text, hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse over the text. We can also use the keyboard shortcut key from selection. Clear? We can also use keyboard shortcut key for selection. Commonly use selection key. Control plus A. Control plus S means select all text object. Okay. Control plus A. Next, Shift plus arrow key. Shift Shift plus left arrow key. Okay. Shift plus left arrow key. Move the cursor. Move the cursor with the selection to the left. Okay, control plus shift plus left arrow key, selection to the left word by word, selecting to the left word by word. Next, shift plus right arrow, shift plus right arrow, move the cursor with the selection to the right. Okay, move the cursor to the selection to the right. And next we are control plus shift plus right arrow, control CTRL control plus shift plus right arrow key, selecting to the right word by word, selecting to the right word by word. Next your shift plus up arrow, selecting line in the upwards direction. Okay, shift plus up arrow key, selecting line in upward direction. And next shift plus down arrow, shift plus down arrow, selecting line in downward direction, selecting line downward direction. Okay, next shift plus home, selecting to the beginning of a line, selecting to the beginning of a line. And shift plus end, selecting to the end of line. Okay, next control plus shift plus home, to select text to the beginning of the line. Control plus Shift plus Home to selected text to the beginning of document. And Control plus Shift plus In to selecting text to the end of document. Clear? And next we have delete key and backspace key. Okay, delete key and backspace key. Key are used to erase. The delete key and backspace key deleted one character at a time. Okay, delete key to delete key and backspace key deleted one character at a time. Delete key delete key it erase delete key it erase to the right of cursor. Delete key it erase to right of the cursor. And next backspace key it erase to left of the cursor. Clear? Difference between delete key and difference between delete key and backspace key. Delete key it erase to the right of the cursor, and backspace key it erase to the left of the cursor. Clear? Next we are undo and redo command. Undo and undo and redo command. The undo command is used to undo reverse the last action step taken in any document to the bring back the lost text. Okay, undo command, the undo command in used to undo reverse the last action step taken in any document or to bring back the lost text. And the redo is opposite. The redo is opposite of undo, and it is used to reverse the last undo. Okay, the redo is opposite of the of undo, and it is used to reverse the last undo command. And this is your undo buttons, and this your redo button. Undo and redo on the standard tool standard toolbar. Okay, undo and redo on the standard toolbar. Okay, redo and undo. And the undo command is one of the most used command is any word processing program. The undo command is one of the most used command in any word processing program. The shortcut key from undo is control plus Z. The shortcut from undo is control plus Z, and the shortcut from redo is control plus Y. Okay, undo shortcut key is control plus Z, and redo shortcut key is control plus Y. Okay, control plus Y, control plus Y. Okay, next were some more editing option in writer. We have two most commonly used editing mode, insert and overwrite. Okay, some more editing option in writer. We have two most commonly used editing mode, insert and overwrite. This is the default mode. This is the Simaswo insert. It means the insert mode is on. Insert mode on in the status bar in use to insert word in between without overwriting the exacting word. Okay, inserting mode on the status bar is used to insert words in between without overwriting the exacting word. And overwriting mode overwriting mode on the status bar in use to insert word in the between after overwriting the exit word. Okay, clear how can be changed from insert mode and overwriting mode next class. Okay, next year. Okay, thank you. This is your cursor. Okay, what is cursor? Cursor is the blinking vertical line on the screen. This is your cursor. Okay, blinking vertical line on the screen. Your cursor. Okay, cursor. This is your cursor. Okay, next arrow key. Next arrow key, left arrow key. Okay, left arrow key. Move the cursor on the left from its the current position. This current position your cursor. Okay, then left left move. Okay, cursor to the left from its current position. Okay, move the cursor to left. Okay, next your right arrow key, move the cursor to the right from its the current position. Okay, your right arrow key. This right arrow key, press keyboard, press keyboard key, arrow key. Okay, next you are down arrow, move the cursor one line down. Okay, move the cursor, down arrow key, move the cursor one line down arrow key. And next up cursor, move the move the cursor one line up. Okay, one line up. And then home key. Okay, press home key, take the cursor to the beginning of the line, home key. Okay, beginning of the line. Okay, take the cursor. Next your end, press your end key the take the cursor to the end of line. Okay, next your control plus home, press control and home key and cursor, move the cursor to the beginning of the line. And next control plus end, control plus end button, your move the cursor of the end of the document, end of document meant. Okay, next you are commonly use the selection key. You are select. Okay, you are select this text. Okay, selection, then select, then drag the mouse. Okay, clear, clear. To select the, hold down the left mouse button, hold down the left mouse button and drag, okay, the mouse over the text. Clear, hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse over the text. Clear. And next control A, control A means select all. Okay, control A means select all text. Clear, control A select all. Next your delete key. Okay, most important key, your delete key. The delete key and backspace key delete one character at a time. Okay, delete key, it erase the right of the cursor. So right side is no text, so this cursor. Okay, then delete key. So delete key, okay, press delete key, it erase the right side of the cursor. Okay, next your backspace key. Backspace key means backside. So click this side and click cursor and backspace key. Press backspace key. The backspace key, it erase to the left of the cursor. Backspace key. Okay, delete key and backspace key are used as erase. Okay, delete key is the right side. Okay, is the right side, and backspace backspace key, it erase the left of the cursor. Clear. And next your undo and redo command. Undo and redo command. Okay, undo and redo command. There. Okay, the undo command, the undo command is used to undo and reverse the last action. Okay, this is select your text, then to delete the text, then next you are click your undo. Okay, clear. Okay, clear. And redo, and this is your redo option. Redo button, click redo. The redo of the redo is the opposite of the undo and used to reverse the last undo. Okay, this your undo buttons and your undo button, and this is your redo button. Okay, undo and redo button or standard toolbar. This is your standard toolbar. Okay, this is your standard button and this is your undo button, then your redo button. Undo and redo. Okay, clear. Okay, undo and redo button. Okay, thank you.